What's up, guys? I go by the name of Queso, and today I'm going to show you how to do the AirBox mod on the Honda Grom the easy way. So first thing you're going to need to do is take off these 6 Phillips screws holding the AirBox. For some screws, you're going to need the short Phillips screwdriver. So once you take off all the screws, you just pop the cover out of place and you should see your air filter. So once you take that screw off, just pop this out of place, and behind it there's a net or a mesh, whatever you'd like to call it. Now inside the actual AirBox, there's this tube right here being held on by this little metal clip that also has the same plastic holding it in place. Once you're done cutting that, literally just pops out of place. For this tube, just rip it out. Throw it in the trash. You don't need that anymore. Now inside the AirBox, there's a tube coming out of it, which you gotta pop out and bring out through these little creases here. Best way, just grab a screwdriver, push it out. It's gonna be loose inside the fairings. This is where I've noticed most of you have to take off this whole side panel to get that out. You don't. Stick your fingers in here, grab it, just pull it back a little bit, the plastic, and voila.